Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to make easy sweet chili dipping sauce or น้ำจิ้มไก่ Sweet chili dipping sauce, but in Thai we say น้ำจิ้มไก่ right? น้ำจิ้มไก่ mean dipping sauce for the chicken, but actually we use for a lot of food, not for just the chicken, but we only call น้ำจิ้มไก่ น้ำจิ้มไก่ ไก่ mean the chicken. For this recipe, this sweet and chili sauce good for a lot of food. So let's say chicken egg roll, spring roll, tempura, or fried chicken wing, grilled chicken. Like go good with a lot of food. If you know the sweet chili sauce, you like dip with a lot of food. And this recipe will be very easy for you, quick and easy. You can make at home. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so this recipe very quick and easy, right? So we're gonna mix everything inside the pot before we start on the stove. Okay, so first I'm going to use 1 cup vinegar, just a regular white vinegar. I will pour inside the pot. Okay, I have the little chef one to help it today too, and we have the chopped cilantro. Yeah, we are chopping very fine, very small chopping. 1.5 tablespoon chopped cilantro. You can put inside there. Okay, and I'm going to use the this is the ground fed chili paste. I'm going to add inside the vinegar and cilantro. I will use 6 tablespoons. They're a little bit spicy, but if it's too spicy for you, you can cut it a little bit. 1, 2. Okay, you want to do it? 3, 4, 5, 6. And I think if you eat the Asian food, you probably have this in your house, or you probably tried this before. They're really good too. So I put 6 tablespoons inside the vinegar and the cilantro. And next ingredient, I'm going to add 1 cup sugar. Okay, of course she wants to help, so I will put the over here. I will use 1 cup the white sugar, regular white sugar. Okay, 1 cup. Okay, so add in there 1 cup of sugar.
The whole thing?
Yes, the whole thing. 1 cup of sugar. Okay. All right, and next I'm gonna put the half cup the crushed pineapple. Okay, crushed pineapple. I'm gonna use a half a cup as an extra flavor. Okay, half cup. And also I'm making this sweet chili sauce long time ago with little bit different on the episode. If you're interested, it will be on the episode 100. You can going down, go to my channel, and then scrolling down to episode 100, and then you will see the this recipe before. Okay, put a half a cup the.
Smells nice.
Yeah, half a cup.
I like it.
Okay, half a cup the crushed pineapple. Okay, be careful, and then you want to put them all.
Yes.
Okay,
You want to put them
so
out.
I have few more ingredients to go in here. Okay, next we're going to put a 1 teaspoon salt. Okay, 1 teaspoon salt. Here, baby, you want to put it? Okay, hold on. 1 teaspoon salt. Hold on. Okay, put 1 teaspoon salt in there. She really want to help, so I know if you make it your own or something, probably might be faster, but this the little chef want to help. She love to cook and love to help. And 1 tablespoon the cornstarch. We're gonna put a 1 tablespoon cornstarch in there for make it the sauce a little bit shiny and thickness, a little bit of thickness. And I'm gonna put a 1/4 cup water. This is just the water.
Okay.
Yes, 1/4 cup water. So put inside there. That's it. That's all. And now I'm going to mix.
I need to mix.
Yes, I'm going to mix everything.
Okay.
Yes, just tell you from the beginning, this is a quick and easy recipe. So if you want to know the other recipe for this sauce, you have to go to the episode 100. It will be different. I use different chili, different, totally different, but it tastes delicious the same. Okay, and now we're done mixing. Make sure that you mix all the flour and the sugar. Okay, make a little bit, take about like 3-4 minutes to mix them. Okay, now we're going to put on the stove, turn on the heat. Okay, turn on the heat and still keep mixing them until they're gonna boil very fast because they have a sugar, and this is not a lot. And when they become boil, just lowering the heat and continue cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can see like the consistency is thicker. And okay, after that I will show you and I will tell you. We're gonna taste it, and then if you need more salty, or you can put more salt, or you need more chili, spicier, you can put more. This is a good thing about that you make your own sauce, so you can adjust how spicy, sweet, or salty, however you like. Okay, just let it become boils. Okay, now it's not done, but I just want to show you how the consistency is changing, the color is changing, but they still not thickening enough. But then look at this. Okay, it would probably, now I cooking about 7 or 8 minutes, so it will probably need to cook another 5 minutes. Okay, and now I cooking a little bit more than 15 minutes, and they're a little thicker and they reduce a little bit. But if you want it thicker than this, you can cook a little longer. Now before I turn off the heat, I'm just going to lower it, and I'm going to make sure that I taste my sauce. But you have to be careful, they're really hot. They will be a little bit thicker when they're cooler. And you can see how they're a little bit slow, if you can see on the spoon. But I'm gonna taste it. Spicy. This is spicy. 6 tablespoons of the chili paste, a little spicy. If you cannot handle very spicy, just cut it half or cut it up a little bit. But for me, it's perfect. So it's spicy, a little salty and sweet. I love it. Or even if you didn't want it to say, this is a little trick. If you didn't want it to see all this pineapple or chili, or you can put in the blender. You put in the blender first before you mix the sauce and before you're cooking the sauce. Put in the blender if you want it. You don't want to see all the chunk, but I'm not. This is how I like. I don't mind at all. Okay, and I'm going to say goodbye from over here. I can turn off the stove. I'm going to use this sauce for the next recipe. Please follow the next recipe so we see what I'm going to use this sauce for. And I hope you like this video. I hope you like this recipe. Please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you'll see me for the next recipe. Thank you. Bye bye.